Assalamu alaikum. Now this is the sole of my sandal which I am making now. I showed you the pattern of the shoe sole in previous videos. So now I am making the upper part of the shoe. Now insert hook in the back part of the stitch. This is the back part. So I will insert my hook. I am using 1.60 mm. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now first of all, chain 1 and make single crochet in all stitches till to the end of shoe sole. So do it through all over it till end. Now I finished my single crochet till to the end. Now this is the middle of my shoe sole, so go straight, and this one is my middle. So I will count 6 from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and put a stitch marker, and now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will start from this side. So insert your hook from this side and make slip stitch. Chain 1 and skip 2 stitches. In the third one make 1 double crochet, and now make a puff into the same stitch. See, now insert the hook from all of it. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. Now skip 1, this one, and in the third one make another puff. 1 2 3 and 4. So pull a loop from all of it. Now chain 2, again skip 1 and in another, so make it to this side. So now this is the end of my another part which I put a stitch marker. So I will skip 2, and in the third the stitch marker stitch, this one, I will make double crochet. No, I make a slip stitch, sorry. Here I will make a slip stitch like this and slip stitch in the next. Now turn your work, chain 1, and in the space of this one, see this one, make puff in this space. Again in this space, the first one, 1 2 3 4 and pull all of it. Now chain 2 and another space between 2 puff, make another puff. 1 2 3 4 and now chain 1 and 2. Now make in all spaces till to the end. Now this one is the my last space, so I will make puff in it as well. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 5 loops so that our puff will be look good and neat. So make 1 2 and skip and in the next stitch of it make slip stitch, and in the next make slip stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. In this middle, this one, the first one, I will make another puff. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 and 5 and through all of it. 1 2. Now make in the next spaces all puff. Okay, now I completed my this side too. So I have 1 2 3 rows. So now I will make, turn my work, chain 1 and now I will skip this one. I will skip the first one. Now I will make another one. Okay, let's start. Skip this one and make in the next space stitch puff. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Pull all of it, make 2. Now make puff in next space of the shoe. Now I reach to my last step. So leave this space and make slip stitch in the next stitch, and so my upper part, front part is ready. See, it will look like this. So cut the yarn over here and make it tight. Now it's time to make back side of the shoe. So I count, this is the middle, so I count 9 from this side and 9 from this side. So I will insert my hook in this stitch and make a loop. Now make half double crochet into the stitches till to the next stitch marker. So make half double crochet till to the next stitch mark. Now here to the end, so stitch one as a chain one, turn your work and make half double crochet again to the other side. So make 5 half double crochet, 5 rows of half double crochet. I will see you then. Now I completed my 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5. Now chain 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now the middle of this side is 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So this is the middle. I will make a make single crochet, then count 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Now skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the 6th make a, now cut yarn over here and tight it. If you want to sew or if you want to tie it with a, this is my buttonhole, so I'll make it tight. Okay, now my shoe is ready. This is the buttonhole, so I will put button over here and here, and this is my cute little shoe for 0 to 3 to 6 months. I hope you will like it. It's turned a little bit, but I don't know. This is the right foot. See you in next video, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.